to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I am doing a new hairstyle, which is similar to the hairstyle that I did last week. So I am basically going to do the Flexi rod in a different way. I'm going to curl my bangs in the front. By the grace of God, I have grown it out by using all natural ingredients on my hair. I use my hair growth butter and I use my hair growth oil, okay? This is what I apply to my hair almost every day. And this is my hair growth butter, okay? I use my hair growth butter, I would say like once a week or so. If I have it in my disposal. Now, most of the times I use my hair growth oil because it is easier to use and I can just simply massage it on my scalp. But I do from time to time use my hair growth butter as well. But they both have the same exact ingredients. It's just that the hair growth butter has more substance. So basically what I did was I had moisturized my scalp with my hair growth butter, and then I have parted my bangs into two sections, and I brushed my hair in a ponytail. And so as you can see, this is why I do not like to flat iron my hair, because after a few days or so, my hair just starts to get like it just starts to look kind of weird, and I'm just like, okay, this is not how I want to take care of my hair all the time. So I am avoiding the flat irons from now on. So I'm going to start blowing out my hair more often once I get a really good blow dryer. But for right now, I'm just basically trying to get creative from flat iron my hair, so I don't have to re-flat iron my hair, because I don't want to re-flat iron my hair. Because I want to keep my hair healthy and strong. So in order to prevent that, I try to find ways to like make it curly or just like do a twist out on it or something, even though it's not going to come out the same because it is flat iron. But I'm trying to find creative ways to avoid reheating my hair. So this is one of the ways that I like to style my hair without having to reuse the heat. So I am simply rolling up my hair with the Flexi rod curl, and we're just gonna curl it all the way, okay? And in the morning, I'm gonna see the results. Now, last week I had my Flexi rod curls all over my hair, and even though it looked really pretty, I did not like to sleep on the Flexi rods. I guess because I haven't used it in a while, but yeah, it was just not comfortable. So in order for me to prevent that, I just place my hair in a ponytail. That way all of my Flexi rods can stay on the top of my hair, so I can still get some good rest, okay? And as you can see, the Flexi rods are also in the front, so I don't have to worry about laying on my side with the Flexi rods. I can simply just have it out of the way, or I can keep it out of the way. And so now I am simply rolling my hair with the Flexi rod. apply it to my ends some more because, and I'm using my Rosemary Delight hair growth butter, and which you can order online at mynaturalhairdelights.com. Okay, you can moisturize it on your scalp, and you can also use it as a hair moisturizer, meaning you can moisturize your hair strands with it as well. Okay. So this is what my hair looks like after rolling it up with my Flexi Rod curl set. I have 2 bangs in the front, and then I'm gonna have my curly updo at the top. And if for whatever reason it doesn't come out the way I expect it to, then I'll just wrap it up in a bun, and I'll just have a bun with 2 curly bangs in the front. But what I originally planned to do is to have it curly at the top, like a curly ponytail with 2 curly bangs in the front. So we're gonna see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, so don't forget to wrap your hair up at night, because that is like the last and most important step right before you go to bed on to the next morning, okay? So make sure that you wrap your hair, because you want to keep your hair fresh overnight, and you want to have the best results the next day when you're taking your hair down. So just make sure that you wrap it with a silk or satin wrap or scarf, and you just want to do this consistently to keep your hair well maintained, okay?